Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm drawing Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters using graphite pencils. I always start with the line work, and to get the proportion right, I use the grid method. To be honest, this is the part I find the most boring, but it's super important. Spending time here really helps makes the final drawing look accurate and well balanced. In case you're wondering what I use to make the grid, it's a free app from the Google Play Store. It's really easy to use. I'm not sure if it's available on iPhone though, but you can check in the App Store. For the initial sketch, I use a lighter pencil to keep things clean. Apply very light pressure so it's easy to erase later if needed. Once the sketch is done, I move on to a darker pencil to outline the deepest shadows, especially areas like the eyes and the darker parts of hair. For me, using a range of pencil shades is really important. It helps bring out the contrast and adds depth to the drawing. I also use an eraser pencil to bring out highlights or to clean up areas that are supposed to stay white. I also use a blending stump to smooth out shaded areas and soften transitions between light and dark. It saves me a lot of time, especially in parts of the drawing that needed smudging or a soft texture. The one I'm using here is homemade. I actually rolled it from newspaper and it works really well. Here's a tip for anyone practicing pencil drawing. Don't worry too much about making everything perfect in one go. Work in layers and build up the values gradually. Use light pressure in the beginning and only darken areas once you're confident with your placement. Also, take breaks and look at the drawing from a distance. It helps you see mistakes more easily and keep your eyes fresh. Most importantly, be patient with yourself. Good drawings take time. Enjoy the rest of the drawing, guys.